Hello again. It's been 2 years since I picked up this watch, and it's reference 126231, and there's a link to the unboxing video just there if you want to see it. Now this is in stainless steel and 18 karat ever rose gold with a white paper dial, they call it, which is a matte finish dial that blends in beautifully with the date window. Now I've had this for 2 years. I wore it continuously for about 6 months, and then I put it away for a while after getting a few scratches on the clasp, which it started to worry me a bit. But I do take it out on special occasions, weddings and parties and things like that. Beautiful, beautiful watch. I really enjoy wearing it, and it always makes me feel special and more luxurious when I wear it. I like bigger watches. This is only a 36mm. I got it because it's the traditional size for this Datejust, but it's definitely on the smaller side with today's watches, especially with things like the Apple Watch Ultra at 49mm, and some of the Garmin's, they're 46, 47, 51. So definitely a smaller watch. Now this is something that I really love. It's got the Easy Link, they call it, and you can just adjust it, and it gives you an extra 5 mils when you're feeling a little bit hot. If you're walking, exercising, or anything like that, you can adjust it on the fly, and it's so easy. Last year, 2021, the prices soared because of the virus around the world. I could have made an extra £500, but I didn't. I left it sitting in my safe for my son to inherit later on when he gets older. Now, beautiful watch. I really do enjoy wearing this watch, and I'll probably wear it again for a few weeks now I've got it out. Caliber 3235. It loses between sort of 2 and 4 or 5 seconds per day, that's all. Very nice. As you can see, the size difference is a little bit different there. But it's a beautiful watch. It's already 100 meters water resistant, and it's got sapphire crystal and everything else, so lovely. Apple Watch, the Samsung Watch 5 Pro, Garmin, they're all watches I wear now for health reasons, but this one shows the money when you wear it. So if you want something luxurious, this is definitely the watch to buy. Let me know in the comments what you think to it, and I'll see you next time.